2025 Infiniti QX80 rolls onto the screen, showcasing its bold new design under natural lighting. The camera pans across its front grille and LED headlights. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 has arrived, and it's making a statement with a fresh redesign, upgraded technology, and improved performance. This full-size luxury SUV continues to compete with the best in the segment, offering a balance of power, refinement, and cutting-edge features. The exterior of the QX80 now boasts a more modern and aggressive look, with a massive double-arched grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that gives it a commanding road presence. The side profile features sleek lines, chrome accents, and 22-inch alloy wheels that add to its premium appeal. At the rear, the new digital taillights and a revised bumper complete the look, making this SUV stand out whether parked or in motion. Stepping inside, the 2025 QX80 offers a completely redesigned cabin focused on luxury and technology. The first thing you'll notice is the new dual-screen infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials have been upgraded, with genuine wood, aluminum, and quilted leather covering most surfaces. The seats are more supportive and come with available massage functions in the front row. The second row captain's chairs provide premium comfort, while the third row now offers more space, making this SUV a great choice for families. A new 24-speaker Bose sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, Infiniti has made significant improvements. The QX80 now features a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the old V8, producing around 450 horsepower and 515 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a new 9-speed automatic transmission, the SUV delivers smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. The available adaptive air suspension provides a comfortable ride, while the updated all-wheel drive system enhances traction on various terrains. With a towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds, the QX80 remains a capable performer. Pricing for the 2025 Infiniti QX80 starts at around $80,000 for the base model, while higher trims with premium features can go beyond $100,000. With its refined interior, bold exterior design, and enhanced performance, the new QX80 is ready to take on the competition. Would you choose this luxury SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.